Okay, sorry, it's in Windows. What's it called? Well, right now I have 5 subscribers, and that's actually my highest is. Okay, I got 32 subscribers. Um, but that one I just did random stuff, not showing me because I thought that it would be kind of stupid because I wouldn't want to show myself because it was when I was little, and I thought that people were like when I was like 5, no, like 8, 7, okay, 6 or 7, I don't know. Okay. Well, my goal is 50, so just please subscribe to me up there. I think somewhere up here. I think it's in there. That's what it is for me. So please subscribe if you like my videos. If you don't watch them. So my goal for me to be uploading videos and stuff. It's really cool to have them. And I'm planning on doing a climbs video by Usher because I got this thing from I can't remember her name, but she said that this thing was especially for me. So I thought it was really sweet to make a video just for me. So